So who is responsible if you get injured while walking? We're going to figure it out today on The Law and You with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Guys, thanks for being here.
We're going to try to figure it out. You're
going to give advice, yeah, to the best of your legal knowledge. All right, here we go with the question, and this one is in from Chris in Wilkes-Barre. He says, last month I was out to dinner with my husband and I tripped in a pothole and broke my ankle. Is the city responsible for my injuries? What does Chris do here?
Chris, I don't know. I mean, we need a little bit more information here. Especially, one, was there any alcohol involved? Because there could be some negligence on your part. What did you, on the pothole, how big was it? I mean, we need more information in order to make this, determination whether the city would ultimately be responsible, for your injuries in this. Was it an area where you should have been walking in the first place? All those questions, really need to be answered before we can, give you some advice on in this one. I told you we would try.
You tried.
We would
try.
You
did try your best.
But generally, I mean, if there are potholes and there's people walking and they know they're going to be there, that could be a condition that a city could be held liable for. But Ed's right. I mean, you're out to dinner. Is there alcohol? What type of shoe are you walking around in? Are you in a 5-inch heel? And again, if it's foreseeable that you could be in this area dressed like that, have a few drinks, then you would think the city might want to do a better job of maintaining those areas for safety for the people. But again, Ed's right. It's really fact specific. We need a little more information. And in these situations, it's always helpful to get pictures of the pothole, measure the potholes, all that evidence so we can have that.
Yeah.
All right, for our viewers who need legal advice, how's the best way to reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
How about Greg being the fashionista with 5-inch heels and,
He knows his style.
I like shoes.
He knows style.
Yeah.
I know it.
Or if you have a question, put it on our Facebook page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
All right, results matter with the Style King, attorney Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Guys, thank you so much.
See you later.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are two ways to get a question here on the show.